Today we're gonna talk about chemistry styles and why, in my opinion, runes the actually thought in general. I'm gonna explain in this video. First of all, I'm gonna make it a short video. I don't want to talk 10 minutes about this. I mean, this can be addressed in a short amount of time. Okay, first of all, to get my point clear, let's get a cheap player that kind of everyone can get, like a begin game player, the opposite of end game, okay. So how do you write? Yeah, I write it good. Okay, anyways, for example, Son, he's cheap, right? Yeah, he's pretty cheap, 30k. Now you're thinking, okay, but why does chemistry styles ruin thought, You're maybe thinking that. Okay, he has good stats, alright, fine. But what kind of ruins it for me is when I, for example, put like a hunter on him, you can see he has endgame stats, like let's say around 98 pace, 96 finishing, everything above 90s with the shooting, and then good dribbling, and it's like an end card game, it's end game. I mean this card, which in my opinion for a 30k card, it shouldn't be possible. You shouldn't be able to buy like a 30k card, and it shouldn't be like endgame like this one, for example. And the thing is, even with like cheaper cards than this, even like with 5k cards, or I don't even know, from 2k to 20k, you have like cards like these, and then you put a chemistry style on them, and then they're kinda endgame. And what the bad point about this is, like, FUT should be like fun, and you should grind for good cards, You shouldn't make one with 30k and then, yeah, what if his team of the season will come out? Why should you buy it? For his dribbling only? I mean, his pace is not gonna improve much. His shooting is not gonna improve that much. Well, +3 finishing for a card that's gonna cost like 1 million more. It's just crazy. In my opinion, these chemistry styles shouldn't be here. And if they will stay here, then they should like be nerfed a lot. They should maybe have one attribute that you can do, or maybe even like 1/3 of the attribute, maybe like +3 pace or something, not +10. It's crazy actually. And the same is with defenders. Let's Klosterman, for example, let's put a defender, alright? Look, 4k for this one. And you're thinking, okay, it's not really endgame, but what if you put Shadow on it? Look at these stats, and this is for like a 3k card, like 94 pace and then like 90 defending for a cheap card. I mean, why does EA put these things in it? Because I really don't understand, to be honest. I really don't. I just don't.